Let me show you how I made this carrot oil. Carrot oil is very good for your skin, for your natural hair, and you can also use it to fry egg. You can use it to prepare jollof rice. Yes, when you want to make carrot rice or carrot stew, you can use carrot oil. And if you are the type that your skin is always dried, no matter the cream you used, your skin or your hand, your pan will still look very dry and strong, you need this carrot oil. It is better you make it yourself. Yes, so that you will know what you used and what you are applying to your skin or to your natural hair. Like I said before, you can use it to fry egg. So watch this video to the end. I am going to be teaching you two methods. Yes, so this is the very first method, and make sure as you are using oil, you use extra virgin oil. That's olive oil, you know. Extra virgin one is the one you should use. Okay, if you are watching this video and you have not liked it, please like this video, help me share. You can subscribe to my channel, it's free. So this is the process. I added oil after pouring the carrots in the bottle like so. Make sure you are using bottle that is thick, okay, so that it will not explode in the pot. So I allow it to cook. You can see I covered it just now. Everything you need to know, I wrote it there. You know how many minutes you should boil it, everything's in this video. And as you are boiling it, as the things on the fire, you'll be stirring it. Okay, you stir it together, you know, so that you have a perfect result. Do me a favor, help me share this video, like this video, and comment if you will be giving it a try. Let me know at the comment section. So I am preparing the second method. That grater was somehow wasting my time. I said, okay, let me use this very one. It is better you use the smaller side. This pan is without oil. You can see it is better you pour it first before you add your olive oil. You can see, and make sure it's on a low heat. Yes, a low heat, so that it will not burn. Keep stirring it, don't leave it to burn. You can see it's almost ready. Look at the color, it has already changed. You can see the way I'm turning it and turning it, always stir it. Now let's move to the next step, and make sure it cooled down before this process. Are you going to give it a try? Let me know at the comment section. You will like this oil. I remember when I made this oil, one of my daughter did not let this oil rest. Yes, she was always using it on her natural hair, and your hair will be shiny and soft. Give it a try. You can also squeeze this thing if you see that it's not hot. Okay, it was still hot. That was why I was using spoon. And I will also show you how to keep your oil, because I'm not just going to leave it in this bowl. You can see that. Oh my gosh, I will be preparing this thing very soon because I like it so much. It's good for skin, and it's good for your natural hair, and it's good when you use it to fry egg. It's very good. So this one is the boiled method, you know, the one that was boiling in the pot. Have you liked this video? Please don't forget to like and share. If you have not been sharing my video before, please share this one, okay, and like this video, and God will bless you. Look at that. You see the color? Wow. Which one did you prefer, the boiled one or the fry method? Let me know at the comment section. So the next thing is how to keep it. You pour it in a bottle like this. If you don't have bottle, you can also use container or spray bottle. This one is the second one. Please share this video. So I'm going to pour this one into my spraying bottle. It's very nice. Okay, it's very nice. You know, carrot is very rich, right? This is the cooked one, the cooked method. This one is here. Which one do you like? Let me know at the comment section. Look at my skin. Do you see that? If you want your skin to be shiny like this, prepare this for yourself. Don't go and buy. You can make it by yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.